Greetings everyone. May the blessings of Baba Syam be with you and your family forever. Hope you are celebrating the Ganesh Utsav like usual and with a lot of enthusiasm along with your family. Ganesha, I made one video in Hindi. Ganesha will listen you by the ears of the mouse. Reason and story I said on that. You may refer that Hindi channel Khatuji TV. Today here I came to just discuss with you the benefits of the Aditya Hriday Stotra. It is said as Aditya Hriday Stotra because it is a heart of the sun. Hriday, heart of sun. And if you, there are 31 verses, 31 sloka, and or you can say the 31 hymns. If you read on every Sunday in open area as I am sitting in sunlight without caring hot or cold, whatever you are in your mind, sunburn, etc., etc. If you every Sunday you sit and just read 31 sloka, verses or hymns. First you read, slow you will remember. Definitely your inner strength will grow. Because along with the physical stamina, you need inner strengths, inner development equally together. You know the Shaolin warriors, they are lean and thin. They are not very bodybuilder type. But they develop themselves so good by the meditations, chanting of mantras, that they can even hold in the wood, kung fu. So you give 10 minutes every Sunday on meditation. To do meditation, everything is, you may say you need guidance, you need a master. But I am saying you easy formula. You sit and read 31 hymns of Aditya Hriday Stotra. Or if you cannot read even, then you put earplugs and listen in one sort of. Today only I gave Aditya Hriday Stotra. You can find in any music library. You listen 31 verses and miraculous benefits you will start to get. There is a list of benefit. I am showing this in description. You will start to, you see the description of the video, you will find the benefits, advantages of reading on every Sunday for 10 minutes in sunlight by sitting in open area in sunlight. If you don't have terrace, you have balcony, you have park in your society, everything is there. And it is more beneficial if you sit before 8 a.m. in morning. Now there is a story also behind Aditya Hriday Stotra. Everybody is knowing Ramayana by Tulsidas, Ramcharitmanas. But before Tulsidas, the Ramayana was in Sanskrit and written by Valmiki. So in Valmiki Ramayana, there is a Aditya Hriday Stotra. What happened? What is explained there? Ram was a little tired or upset because human loss was happening every day. Every day there was a human loss in the war between Ram and Ravana. Sometime Kumbhakarna was dying, sometime Meghnad was dying, sometime human losses were there. Bears and monkeys were also involved, so losses of them also. Ram was, and Lakshmana also got Sakti. So Ram was upset and tired, internally tired, not physically. At that time, Agastya Muni came. He told Sri Ram, to regain energy, to rejuvenate yourself. You chant 31 hymns I am writing to praise the sun. If you do so, you will regain all the energy, feel yourself rejuvenated, and fight against the Ravan, and win the war. Ram did, and 3 times he chanted Aditya Hridaya Stotra. 31 sloka, 3 times, and he regained the energy, internal strengths, and he won the war against Ravan, war against the evil. Therefore, Aditya Hridaya Stotra, I suggest you, advise you, sit and read in the sunlight before 8 a.m. if possible, or any time in a day. But presence of the sun is important for your overall. Aditya Hridaya Stotra will make you strong internally, and sun will make you strong externally. Because vitamin D deficiency can lead to hormone imbalance in the body. And if hormones are imbalanced, the brain will not function properly. And your happiness, your joy, I'm talking about the joy, you enjoy the life. You have to get the joy. So joy you will feel irritated. So please refer Aditya Hridaya Stotra. This is a small video. Om Suryaya Namah, Om Bhaskaraya Namah, Om Adityaya Namah. Jai Sri Syam.